Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows has stopped this device because it has reported problem code 43 in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Once you have opened your device manager, expand it first. And here you need to proceed to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, which is next to System Devices. Click this forward arrow. Okay? Once you have see all of this, just have to select the problematic device. Okay? So let's say, for example, this is the problematic device. Just do a right click and go with Disable Device. Okay, once you have disabled it, enable it again, and then close this window and restart your computer. Okay, so once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, unless if it doesn't, then you need to do a right click here again at the start icon. We will be navigating the same process, which is we need to open our device manager, expand it first. Okay, and here at the Universal Serial Bus Controllers, click this forward arrow. Okay, proceed to the problematic device that you are facing an issue with. Do a right click, and this time you need to go with uninstall device and go with uninstall device to confirm your action. Okay, once done, you need to restart your computer. Okay, and once you have restarted your computer, check if your problem has been fixed. Don't worry because that device would be automatically installed again once you have relaunched your Windows again. Okay? Check if your problem has been fixed, and let's say if it doesn't, then we need to open our device manager again. Here at the start icon, do a right click, go with device manager. Okay. Here you need to expand it first, okay, and go with this Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Click this forward arrow, and here you need to select USB root tab, okay. Do a right click and go with Disable Device, okay. Once you have disabled it, enable it again, okay, and then click this action. Go with Scan for hardware changes, and it will be automatically enabled again in your machine. Okay, once done, close this window, restart your computer, and check if your problem has been fixed. Unless if it doesn't, then let's bound to our last step, which is here at the keyboard, you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together and type regedit. Again, it is regedit. Click on OK. So the moment you click on it, your account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open the registry editor. Here you need to paste a registry path at the address bar. So just copy this at the description box below since I'll be pasting this. Control V then click enter. Once you are being redirected here at the USB STOR, proceed to the center of your screen and locate error control. Do a right click, go with modify, and change the value data into 3. Click on OK, close this window, and restart your computer. Okay, the moment you've restarted your computer, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.